Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Shrimpo from Dandy's World. So first we're going to get started with our eyes. On the left hand side, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle for that left eye. And then moving up on a diagonal on the right hand side, let's replicate that again. Now on the side of that, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big half circle for the pupil on both sides. For the eyebrow now, on the right hand side, we're going to bring our diagonal line out. And then we'll move over on the left hand side and replicate that. Now coming underneath for the cheek, we're going to start by drawing in another half circle, curving this line around and then up. And then over on the left hand side, let's replicate that again. Now for the mouth, we're going to curve this line around and over. On the top in the middle, let's curve this line around and then in. For the cheek, we're going to curve this line around, back up. In the center for the chin, we're going to curve this line back around and then in. To the left of this now, we're going to curve this line around and then up. Again, one more time, curving this line around and then in. And then on the top in the corner, we're going to close this off by curving this line around and then down. Moving behind for the shrimp tail now, we're going to curve this line around and then over. And then moving underneath on the bottom, we're just going to curve this line around and then back up. On the corner now, we're going to curve this line over and out. And then from the point on the side, we're going to curve this line back around and then up. From the point on the top now, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then on the side, we're going to curve this line back around and then down. And now we're going to close this off with a curved line from top to bottom. Now let's come down on a diagonal. For our left hand, we're going to curve this line around, down, and then over. From here, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then in. Moving from that corner, we're going to curve this line up. From that point, we're going to curve this line down. And then from here, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes across. Closing off the bottom of the arm now, we're going to curve this line over, down, back around, and then in. For the shoulder, we're going to curve this line across. Stepping further out, we're going to arch this line up. And then now from here on the side, we're going to arch this line around, back in. Moving out on a diagonal, we're going to bring this line over. And then we'll do the same thing on the left-hand side. And then now from here on the bottom, we're just going to draw in a nice big curved line from left to right. Let's move up in the middle now. We're going to draw in another curved line from left to right. And then moving underneath on the bottom, again, we're going to curve this line around and then up. Now let's draw on the left leg. So we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out. Moving further up, we're going to curve this line around and then down. Now from here, we're going to arch this line all the way around and then in on the bottom for the foot. To the right hand side now, we're going to curve this line down. And then stepping beside that, we're just going to curve this line across again. For the top of the foot now, we're going to arch this line around and then down. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line back around and then in. We're going to draw in a straight line from left to right. And then moving over on the left, let's replicate that again. And that is it. That's how you draw Shrimpo from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.